Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here because I want to make some colored glow acrylic. Yes, and I have some blue chalk that I'm going to be using, and also I have some glow powder right here. This is the glow powder I got from AliExpress. So let's get into it. You're going to need some clear acrylic, some white acrylic, a molter and pedestal, which is right here. I got from eBay for 11 bucks. I find it best to use a molter and pedestal because it crushes the pigments and chalk up better. It blends it better. And so I'm just going to be using some measuring spoons here. I have a half a teaspoon and a teaspoon. And right here, with the pigment, you can use pigment, eyeshadow, or chalk. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of clear acrylic, and I'm going to use a half a teaspoon of white acrylic, and I'm going to put some of this crushed chalk in. I'm not really measuring it because you just got to play with it until you get the color that you're looking for. So I just eyeball it. And if I need more, I'll put more in. And I'm going to go ahead and blend this on up real well. Blending, blending, blending. All right, so right here you can see some of those spots that hasn't been blended. So that's why I recommend using this molter and pedestal, because it blends it better than if you were to just put it in a jar and shake it up. That's really not going to blend it up. So, and even with using this, it still doesn't completely get rid of the spots. So I'm going to go ahead and test it out. I got this alpha brush here, and I really don't like it. I find that my acrylic is sticking to the bristles. So I will not be getting another brush from there. And I had a quite difficult time with it. So I'm just going to use that as like a practice brush to mess around with. All right, so right here I'm just testing it out, seeing if this is the color I want, which it is not. So I'm going to add some more of the chalk. Still testing it out here, but it's not dark enough to me. So I'm just going to add some more. And I also added some more white acrylic right there. And the chalk. I'm going to blend it up some more. Blend, blend, blend. This stuff takes time, y'all. Now that I have the color that I'm looking for, I'm adding the glow powder. And I'm going to mix that in. Blend it on up. Now I'm going to get ready and test it again and see if this is the color that I'm looking for. There it is. I'm feeling this color. I'm going to stick with this. Okay, so the way that I tell if I have enough glow powder in the mix is I activate it by putting it in a lamp. And I can see that it's glowing, but unfortunately for some reason it's not showing, but it's glowing. So right here I'm going to add this beautiful blue, light baby blue glitter. And I had already took some of the solid color out, and because I wanted the solid, and then I wanted some with glitter in it too. So I just mixed it in, and now I'm going to check it out, and there it is. I like the way it's looking. This is beautiful. Absolutely love it. I'm going to get ready and put it back in my LED UV lamp again to activate it. And hopefully this time you guys can see, there it is. It's glowing. Yes. So I decided I want to make some more color. So I did this beautiful, I don't know, like menta or green, aqua looking color. Just adding the glow powder. Did the same thing. Also, I made this beautiful pink. Oh my goodness, this pink is gorgeous. So now what I'm going to do is apply the top coat so you can see the beautiful, I mean just beautiful shine. You can see the sparkles from the fine glitter that I put in. I'm going to put it under the lamp to cure it. And here they are glowing. Oh my goodness, look at the glow. So hopefully you guys found this video useful. Like I said, you can get the glow powder from AliExpress. I believe it's Color Worlds. And oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm going to have to do a set with this. This is so beautiful. Alright, so if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. And until next time, I'll be seeing y'all. Bye.